Applying Quality Standard. Prepared by Dianalyn Martinez, FISM 3A.
Good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, before we start, Miss Nicolas, can you please lead the prayer?
Lord, thank you for today. Guide us, O Lord, and give us knowledge. Amen.
Okay, before you sit down, can you please pick up all the pieces of paper and transfer around under your chair? Alright. Okay, let's check that and say perfect if you are present. Miss Nino?
Perfect.
Miss Nicolas?
Perfect.
Alright, very good class. No one is absent for today. Give yourself a big clap. Okay, our topic for today is performing estimation and calculation in agricultural crop productions. But before that, I have prepared some games. So this is the instruction class. We need to find 2 volunteer students before we can begin our game. Another requirement is that students need to arrange the first set of jumbled letters correctly to form words. At last, the student who finish the jumbled letter fastest in our game will receive extra points in our activity later. So, Miss Tina and Miss Nicolas, can you please come in front?
Finish. Okay, make it down.
Alright, good job. So, jumbled words, the correct answer in number 1 is tools. So, both of you got the correct answer. The correct answer in number 2 is bottle. today for performing estimation and calculation in agriculture productions. So this is our content. Who wants to read? Go ahead, Ms. Nicolas.
Number 1, understanding crop production. Number 2, estimation techniques. And number 3, application and benefits.
Thank you, Ms. Nicolas. Okay, understanding crop production. So, importance of estimation. We have accurate planning. Accurate planning, we need to have plans to be prepared to operate the crop production. Second, risk management. So, from the word itself, risk management, this is how will you manage the potential risk that we will encounter in our agriculture farm or our production. So the example of the potential risk like inflations, and so on and so on. The next one is resource allocation. So we need to allocate the right budget to have a smooth and good productions. Okay, so types of estimation. So yield estimation, cost estimation, type estimation. So, okay, yield estimation is this is calculating the predicting yields of your crops. The next one is cost estimation. This is the estimating the expenses when it comes to inputs, farm tools, equipment, and so on and so forth. Time estimation. This is estimating how will you wait for your yields, and time estimation also to estimate the time that you need to wait and to be prepared. The next one is data collection for estimation. So historical data, gathering information on previous crop yields and production costs. So this will be our guide to have a data gathering so that we can use it for our information to have a good decision making when it comes to production. Also, field observation. So field observation, conducting on-site assessment of crops growth and health. So we need to observe our crops. What is the situation of our crops? There's progress on your crop production. Market research. So understanding market research trends and price for crop sales. So here we need to know how to know properly how to do a market research so that we can know the proper or appropriate prices for our crops. Understood?
Yes.
Alright, very good. So estimation techniques. So yield estimation method. So who wants to read? Go ahead, Ms. Nicolas.
Crop sampling. Using random sampling to estimate the average yield per unit area.
Okay, crop sampling, they will use some sample. So that sample will be to be prepared or to be ready when we encounter the potential risks in our crop production. The next one is decision tree. So mapping out decision options based on estimated probabilities and outcomes. So here we need to do a good decision making to have a good outcome and also to achieve the goals that we want to achieve. Application and benefits. So decision making. So for decision making, we see estimation to make informed choices about crops, varieties, inputs, and production methods. Like in decision tree. So we need to do a good decision making to have a good outcomes, to be ready to the potential risks that we will encounter, and so on. Budgeting, creating accurate budget for crop production and optimizing resources allocation. So we need to do a proper budgeting for our crop production so that we can increase our income sales when it comes in crop production. So marketing positioning, market positioning. So estimation helps in positioning crops effectively in the market based on expected use and cost. So here your field observation, scenario planning. The correct answer is scenario planning. So, Miss Nino, you are not correct, but you have two more chances. Okay. So, statement number 4, estimation is international planning and is investment decision for future seasons.
Perfect.
Okay, let's see. The answer is financial planning, so both of you is correct. Give yourself a big clap. Okay, the last one. So statement number 5, developing strategies to adapt to varying conditions based on estimation outcomes.
Perfect.
Okay, let's see. The answer is adaptation strategies. Alright. Both of you is correct. Give yourself a big clap. The next one, we also have activity number 2. So this is the instruction. So this game is called Enumerate Me. Read the following question carefully and give what is being asked. Write your answer in the board. You only have 5 minutes to answer. Okay? Wait, class. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, coming from. You only have 5 minutes. Your time starts now. Alright. Please sit down. Let's check your answer. So, the answer is, okay, enumerate the types of estimation: yield estimation, cost estimation, time estimation. Alright, very good, guys. So, cost this is our assignment. Do an advanced reading about our next lesson. So the prices for weeks for next. Understood, class? Yes, ma'am. Alright, so thank you. That's